Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am walking in Marshall's right now. I decided to come in here and go see if they have any of their seasonal stuff out. So I hope you guys will stay tuned and come shopping with me. Let's see, over here on this table, look at these bunnies. Those are cool. They got the different color on the outside part. $3.99, and then this one has like the little gold detail on it, and then I even see these with the they're beaded. That's different. $3.99, and then you have some bigger ones right here. Look at the details on all of that. That's really pretty. They even have bigger ones right here. Oh, look at them. Bella Lux, and those are $5.99. Those even come in green. They got these giant eggs. Really pretty. You got that bunny holding a golden egg. Look at him way in the back with the orange carrot. I can't get back there, but those are cute. Lots of bunny decor here. Oh, she is so cute. Look at her. These are, let's see, $5.99. They also have chicks. This chick has flowers in her hair. I think that's $3.99. That is $3.99. He has the chocolate. This is $5.99, and then you got a few other ones.
Everyone, see you later.
Those are cute. Happy Easter. You even have little pigs. Okay, walking over here, looking at some of this Easter stuff, those plates right here automatically caught my eye. You guys, look at how that is leaning forward. I feel like those are gonna fall, so I will not be touching those. But they are super pretty. I don't know how much they are. Then you have all of this stuff. These little carrot or rabbit bowls are super cute. I'm just scared to touch this whole table. I'm so scared that that's gonna fall, so I'm gonna stay away from it. But look at that cake stand. These pretty eggs. $5.99 for that. Look at these little chicks that say Easter. And these are $9.99. Oh, this is cute. A little truck. It has eggs in the back. Everything is so delicate. Oh, that is only $14.99. That's super cute. This oven safe little mini casserole. That's what it says. $4.99. So now I'm over here by their little stationery stuff. Look at this. That is different. It's a beauty cup and it's $5.99. I like that. The inside is gold, and I think they have it in purple. Oh, okay. This one doesn't have the eyelashes like that one. And then you have the little cat. So I've been hearing that a lot of people are still looking for the Rae Dunn like Easter stuff, and they are here. This little container is only $7.99. So they have a few things, but these are cute too. I've never seen these. They have different little sayings on them. This is also Rae Dunn. That's cute. You guys, look at this. What is this? Look at this coffee press. How pretty is that? That is so pretty. It has a thing that you push down, and then I think this is a smaller one. Okay, those are cute. The small one is $24, and this large one is $29. So over here they still have the eye contour palette, the Kat Von D, some more Anastasia. I see the Too Faced chocolate bonbons for $24.99. So they have Becca Volcano Goddess Glow Gloss. This one is in Ruby Fire. And these are $7.99. Let's see if they're all the same. Oh, I see Metamorphic Gold. So there's a few colors. Still the Stilla. What is that? The lip top coat. Those are $4.99. Bare Minerals, $4.99. And these are matte lip colors. Elizabeth Arden, $4.99. And that is a bold liquid lipstick. And then they got some MAC Dazzle Glass in different colors. I see Get Rich Quick and Jingle Jangle. Here's some lip gloss right here in Shape Shifting Peach. Lip pencils, oh sorry, those are $7.99. The lip pencils are $6.99. Anastasia matte lipstick for $7.99. you guys, so I pretty much just looked at the makeup and some of the seasonal stuff. I didn't see too much of anything else, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.